FLEX power tools make the most powerful paint correction polishers on planet Earth. The FLEX XCE polishers are 8mm gear-driven orbital polishers that are available in both corded and cordless versions. Gear-driven means zero pad stalling for the fastest and safest way to remove paint defects like swirls, scratches, water spots, and oxidation. For those that need speed with fast correction power, the corded XCE is the way to go. The new corded XCE is lighter, quieter, smoother, and cooler than the original 3401, also known as the Beast. When you need paint correction power, but the freedom that comes without the hassle of a power cord, then the cordless XCE offers 40 minutes of buffing time on a single charge. 8mm gear-driven orbitals from FLEX, the most powerful gear-driven orbital polishers on the market today. All brawl, zero stall. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.